Hey folks, let's talk about what Alabama's weather is serving up over the next 7 days. And you're going to want to listen because we're starting off soggy but ending downright sweltering. Saturday's shaping up to be the wettest day of the week thanks to deep Gulf moisture and upper level support moving in from the north. Expect scattered to widespread storms through the afternoon, especially across North and South Alabama. The main concern, heavy rain and localized flooding. Up north, clouds and showers will keep temperatures in the mid 80s, while central and south Alabama could see low to mid 90s depending on sun breaks. It's going to be humid either way. By Sunday, high pressure starts to build in from the west, and that begins to dry things out just a bit. We'll still see scattered storms mainly in the east, and maybe a few lingering outflows drifting in from Tennessee and Kentucky. Heat starts creeping in too. Highs rise into the upper 80s to the upper 90s, with heat index values nearing 105 degrees, especially in the central and southern parts of the state. Come Monday, the ridge really begins to settle in. That means fewer storms, mostly isolated and confined to our eastern counties. For most folks, it'll just be hot and sticky. Highs climb into the 90s across the board, with heat index values reaching 105 to 110 degrees. Make sure to stay hydrated and take breaks if you are working outside. Tuesday is looking like one of the hottest days this week. Highs reach the mid to upper 90s, and any rain chances are mostly limited to the far south, where a weak low in the Gulf might stir up a few storms. Elsewhere, dry and roasting, with heat index values continuing to push toward dangerous territory. By Wednesday, we get a slight pattern shift. The ridge flattens out a bit and allows a few upper disturbances to sneak in. That could spark a few more afternoon storms, especially in eastern Alabama. Temperatures stay in the lower to mid 90s, but with that humidity sticking around, it'll still feel like 100 to 106 degrees in many spots. Thursday and Friday follow suit, still hot, still humid, with a growing chance for afternoon and evening storms, especially the farther south and east you go. Highs will stay in the lower to mid 90s, and while the extra rain might cool things off briefly, we're still in that classic steamy July pattern. Now, in the Atlantic, we're watching a disorganized tropical wave over 800 miles southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. It's not expected to develop much, just a 0% chance in the next 48 hours, and only a 20% chance through the next 7 days. No threat to the Gulf for now, but we'll keep tracking it just in case. From stormy skies to sizzling afternoons, this week's forecast is a full tour of southern summer. Stay cool and stay safe out there.